Hello, space explorers. No, not NASA-level exploration, but the kind of exploration that happens in the cavernous black hole that is your SUV trunk. Ever opened it up and wondered, is this where my belongings go to disappear? Fear not, because today we're diving into the cosmic realm of maximizing space in your SUV. Get ready for storage tips and tricks that will make your trunk feel like Mary Poppins' magical bag. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be the master of your SUV's universe. The Tetris technique, packing like a pro. First up, let's talk about the Tetris technique, not the game, but the art of packing your SUV like a pro. We've all been there, trying to fit that oddly shaped item into a space that seems more challenging than solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Stick around, because I'm about to drop knowledge bombs that'll turn you into the Michelangelo of SUV packing. You'll be amazed at how much you can fit into your SUV when you channel your inner Tetris grandmaster. More space for groceries, sports gear, and maybe even that inflatable dinosaur you've been eyeing. Well, you might get a bit too confident and start challenging your friends to packing duels. Just be careful not to let it go to your head. We're going for storage mastery, not bragging rights. The Hanging Gardens of Seatbelton, overhead storage hacks. Now, let's ascend to the Hanging Gardens of Seatbelt-On, the often underutilized space above your head. It's like discovering a secret attic in your SUV, minus the creepy old trunks and ghost stories. We'll explore creative ways to utilize this overhead space without turning your car into a mobile jungle. More storage means fewer items rolling around and causing chaos during your drive. Plus, your friends will think you're some kind of SUV sorcerer when you pull out a snack from the overhead compartment. You might get so good at this that your passengers start calling you the High Priest of Headroom. It's a small price to pay for an organized and clutter-free ride. The Nifty Nook Chronicles, Hidden Storage Gems. Next on our journey, let's uncover the Nifty Nook Chronicles, the hidden storage gems hiding in plain sight. From secret compartments to underseat treasure troves, we'll reveal the spots you never knew existed. It's like finding hidden Easter eggs in your favorite video game, but way more practical. Discovering these hidden storage spaces is like unlocking bonus levels in the game of life. More organized storage means less stress and more time for the important things, like finding that lost pen without turning your car upside down. You might become a bit obsessed with checking every nook and cranny, turning every car ride into a mini treasure hunt, but hey, who doesn't love a good scavenger hunt? The Velcro Vortex, keeping things in place. Ah, the Velcro Vortex, the force that will keep your belongings in check, even when you take a sharp turn. It's like adding a magical grip to your items, preventing them from staging a rebellion in the back seat. We'll explore how Velcro can be your best friend in the battle against rolling water bottles and runaway snacks. Say goodbye to items sliding around and making your car sound like a percussion concert. Velcro is the unsung hero that keeps everything in its place, giving you a smoother, quieter ride. The only downside is that you might become a Velcro enthusiast, sticking it on everything from your shoes to your coffee mug. Just remember, moderation is key. We're going for organized, not Velcro-covered chaos. There you have it, Space Commanders, your guide to maximizing space in your SUV. We've laughed, we've learned, and now you're armed with the knowledge to turn your SUV into a space-efficient masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video and want more cosmic wisdom, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and join our intergalactic community. Until next time, may your SUV be spacious and your adventures be endless.